I'm here in Angeles City and today we will do some fun activities here at the biggest Korean mart in Pampanga, ang 24 hours Kim's Mall. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang Korean stores and restaurants inside. But for now, we will have lots of fun activities here sa second and third floor ng mall. Meron din silang 24 lanes na bowling alley na matutuwa kayo sa mga lively music. Madami din ditong billiard tables, kaya sure na malilibang kayo to play with your family and friends. Meron din silang Retro Soul roller skates, ang biggest skating rink in the Philippines. Arcade games like basketball, dart games, air hockey, claw machine, and a lot more. Meron din silang snack bar where you can enjoy some food and drinks while playing. And they also have game zone where you can enjoy some traditional games and win some prizes. So tara, join me in having fun games here at Kim's Mall. Tuki ka! So dito muna tayo sa second floor at itry muna natin maglaro ng bowling. So here are the activity rates flashed on screen. Before playing bowling, you need to wear bowling shoes. Don't worry guys, sure na malinis itong shoes because they disinfect all shoes once they are returned. O diba? Solong-solo pa namin itong bowling alley. Ang aga kasi namin dumating. Mamimili muna ako ng bowling ball that will suit me. Kukunin ko itong red para swerte.
Ako muna na.
O diba? Swerte talaga ang red. Next naman si Rap Rap. O diba? Strike din si Rap Rap.
Strike! Kuha yun, kuha yun.
Next naman is we need to get some token to play some games dito sa arcade. Susubukan natin maglaro sa kanilang dart game. So iuhulog na natin ang token so we can play dart.
Game!
Next naman is itong shoot that ball game. Mauuna muna si Rap Rap. Honestly, I'm not a good shooter. Pero kayang dumiskarte. Subukan din natin itong claw machine. Isa ito sa paborito kong nilalaro sa mga arcade. Kaso, parang hindi ako swerte today. At ito ang pinakapaborito kong nilalaro, ang air hockey. Ang saya-saya maglaro ditong air hockey. This time, maglalaro naman tayo ng billiards. Alam nyo ba na meron kaming billiards sa bahay, pero minsan lang ako maglaro.
Wala na pumasok na doon.
Habulin natin sa ano sa... Nasaan dito?
Ito naman ang paborito kong libangan sa mga perya, lalo na tuwing may piyesta. Wala lang, nakakatuwa lang maglaro ng ganito. Parang bata lang. So kung gusto niyo ng feel ng Fiesta Games, pumunta lang kayo dito sa Kims Mall.
Kala mo madali. Tinawanan sa'yo.
Tumawa si ate, oh.
Ang premyo po. Ang hirap ng isa, no? O yun!
Next ay pupunta naman tayo sa 3rd floor at susubukan naman natin mag-roller skates. It's been years since I last tried roller skates, kaya medyo na-excite ako. To wear some safety gear before doing the roller skates. The staff will assist you in wearing all of the gears for your safety.
The beginner zone na mo. Upo ako. Akala ko madali, ang hirap pala. It's been a while since nag-roller skates ako. The last time was I think elementary pa ako. Woo! Oh. Nanginginig-ginig pa ako. Oh, kaya. Experience, no?
At dahil napagod kami sa mga fun activities, kakain naman kami dito sa largest cafe in the Philippines, located just beside Kim's Mall. Ito ang Lala Gardens Cafe. Nag-order kami ng food and drinks to replace lost calories.
This is my salted caramel drink.
Cheers! Gusto yung coleslaw. I want to taste the coleslaw first. Oh. Sarap ng coleslaw. Farmhouse pizza. Oh. Parang isang slice lang, busog ka na, no? Busog na natin. Wala yung hotdog.
Ito yung ulo mo.
Ang baboy ko kumain. Nalalasan ko yung tomato paste. Then the hot dog na may mustard. And the melted cheese. Tapos meron pa siyang olives. Uy, may bacon pala siya. Bacon ba to? Oo, may bacon. Grabe. Parang masarap to pag may hot sauce. May hard-boiled egg siya. Lang ang masasabi ko.
Grabe. Original.
Slice ko na. So, ito yung Cajun. Ito,
Sa pizza ata yun eh.
gravy.
So, sige.
Tingnan na. Basta yung Cajun.
Saan
Ito. Natikman natin lahat. Mas gusto ko yung Cajun. Sarap ng Cajun. So without the sauce, meron siyang sesame seed. Sesame seed. Ito yung original. Tikman ko yung original na siya lang. So ito yung original. Ang sarap ng fried. The best yung Cajun. Tikman natin itong shrimp. Omelette du fromage.
Savory shrimp.
May rice. So ito yung savory shrimp omelette. Subukan natin.
I like the chicken. It's really good.
The chicken is good. Ang sarap ang lamig. Sarap talaga tumambay dito sa Lala Garden Cafe. Ang laki-laki talaga niya. For me, this is the biggest cafe na nakita ko ever.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!